Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and install Visual Studio Code on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of VS Code, since that's where we will download the software. So just search for this on your search bar. I want you to make sure that you will enter this correctly in order to be directed to the official website immediately. And now that you're on the official website, there it is guys. You will now see the download button for VS Code right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, your VS Code installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing it. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just have to agree to their terms and service policy. So just select agree and then click next to proceed. And then click next again and again. And here, you can select additional tasks to include in your VS Code installation. I recommend enabling the Create a Desktop Icon option if you'd like VS Code added to your desktop. This makes it much easier to access later on. And after that, you can now finally click the install button to start the installation of the app. And then your VS Code will now start installing. Just wait for this to be done. And once it's done, there you go guys. You will now have your VS Code installed on your PC or laptop. So you can now open it. After opening VS Code, you're ready to start working on your coding projects. To begin, you'll need to either create a new project or open an existing one. If you already have a project, simply click the Open Folder button. Then locate the folder where your project is saved, select it, and open it in VS Code. But if you want to start a new project, you'll first need to create a new folder. This folder will serve as the container for all your project files. To do this, go to the directory where you want your project to be stored, create a new folder, and give it an appropriate name. Once that's done, just open that folder. After opening your project folder, you can now create your first file. Click the New File icon, then name your file based on what you're working on. For example, if you're starting a web project, you might create an HTML file. Once your file is created, you can now start coding. But just keep in mind, guys, that what I showed is the most basic way to start a project in VS Code. For more advanced projects, developers usually use additional tools and setups like frameworks or command line tools, so you may need to follow tutorials specific to those topics. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.